It's a new day. Yes, it is. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And today we are at the Senate building, the lower floors. There was a lot of noise, so I had to look for a very quiet and good place where I could really tell you what I've learned. So the concept is model-based. The concept is simulation and modeling, and the topic is model-based systems engineering. What is model-based systems engineering, and how can we use it to model an investment portfolio? That's the question at hand. Model-based systems engineering is described as the structured utilization of modeling to assist system design. So you know, all of us who have had a software or computer science background were taught UML, how to come up, okay, the SDLC life cycle, but that's the document based. I wouldn't want to say it's phased out, but it has its own limitations. So model-based systems engineering leverages scientific knowledge from different aspects of science, to help you model your system better. So, and there are majorly three components that help us in MBSE. The MBSE methods, these are the collection of linked engineering processes, scientific methodologies, and associated technologies that enable systems engineering in a model-based environment. The language, these are used to communicate the needs and architecture of the system. The tools, these are used to digitize the system and its components. So the purpose of an MBSE approach is that it integrates information from different disciplines using independent tools, helps in identifying gaps through graphical analysis and simulation. Instead of like building the whole system at once, you can always do graphical analysis as you iterate through the system development life cycle. So it incentivizes identification of risks, issues, and opportunities early in the design process. So portfolio optimization. Portfolio optimization is the process of selecting an optimal portfolio asset portfolio out of a set of considered portfolios according to some objectives. So this is in the realm of investment. If you want to invest, you should always have an objective. Is it long term? Is it short term? Am I investing for maybe something that is in 2 years? Am I investing for 20 years? So you always have to come up with an optimized portfolio where you minimize the risks and maximize the returns at the same time. A portfolio is a collection of financial assets, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estates, cash. It is designed to achieve specific financial goals by balancing risk and return according to the investor strategy. By applying MBSE to investment portfolios, you create a comprehensive, structured, and easily understandable representation of your financial assets. So I reviewed some papers. You will see some of them in the references. And these are some of the computational problems that were faced in the financial field, specifically in the problem of portfolio optimization. Investment architecture, being a vague term, consists of various avenues within, and it's often very difficult to understand by the simple investors. So these are the computation problems highlighted in the paper that I read. There is a portfolio optimization problem. This involves selecting and managing a set of assets to maximize returns while minimizing risks. Computational challenges include finding an optimal combination of assets, balancing risks and return effectively, dealing with high dimensionality of data and market variables. So there's also a problem with data analysis and interpretation. Retail investors often struggle with understanding market data, which presents these challenges. Extracting relevant information from large data sets, analyzing and interpreting market conditions, alerts, dates to inform investment decisions. So there is also a problem of risk assessment and management. Investors usually have an inadequate understanding of investment risks, requiring development of models that accurately quantify and predict the investment risks, simulations to test the various risk scenarios and potential on investment portfolios. And the main objective from the papers I read, the main objective was to create a framework for portfolio optimization based on model-based systems engineering. The framework's goal is to offer a thorough and effective method for evaluating and optimizing investment portfolios by using modeling and simulation. And this was the methodology. This is the methodology that I'm going to adopt. I'll have to make extensive research through reading various literatures and see how people leverage these technologies of MBSE, portfolio optimization, and digital twins. Then I will use an open source modeling tool, probably Capella, because I failed to use Papyrus to create a detailed model of the investment portfolio, including the various assets, relationships, and dependencies. Then I will have to generate a scenario I'll have to generate different market scenarios and input them into the model. Then I'll have to run my simulation to assess the portfolio performance under different scenarios and analyze the results using appropriate metrics. So the outcomes of this, at the end of it all, I'm going to have a robust and scalable MBSE framework for portfolio optimization that can be applied to various investment scenarios. There would be improved decision making, and it will also help to boost collaboration among stakeholders through a shared understanding of the portfolio and its dynamics. Since MBSE gives us a better understanding than normal UML. Otherwise, these are my references. I'd love to thank you all for listening to me. You can subscribe to my channel, leave a like, leave a comment if you have anything you want to inquire about. Otherwise, thank you.